Welcome to Q&A, Social Security Disability Today. This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves. Here's your host, attorney Anthony Reeves.
Okay, this is the other question. Why won't Social Security attorneys refer me to one of their doctors? The magical question, and the curtain falls. All right, let me tell you something. Most people who come to well, at least to me, don't have any insurance. They don't have any insurance. They don't have any money. So they don't have the ability to afford to go to a particular doctor. Now, let me pause for those, because a lot of times people they got their minds wrapped around like personal injuries and workers' comp type of situation. With workers' comp, typically there are certain doctors that you can go through that the employer pays for. That's one. Personal injury. Under those circumstances, there's what we call a letter of protection that is provided to the doctor. What a letter of protection is, it's a letter that protects the doctor's money for what they expend in terms of their times and services, and it ensures that they are reimbursed by the claimant or the individual if they're successful in their lawsuit against whoever. And so this way they get reimbursed for the medical services that they're providing. None of that exists in a Social Security context. So that means unless you have an attorney or representative who has a doctor that's a good friend that's willing to see you on occasion for the hookup, most cases, most people can't afford to be referred to anybody, because basically what we're going to tell you is that if you need to go to somebody, we can refer you, but you're going to have to pay. Because there's no way we can guarantee that two things. One is contingency. Two, there's no way to protect them for purposes of ensuring that they get paid if you win. Because the back pay doesn't all come to the representative, only a portion of it, which is for the attorney fees. So that means you just be basically going to a doctor with the hope that in the goodness of your heart, if you get disability benefits, you'll pay that individual. Now, sorry. So I'll be the first to tell you, if you find a representative that can connect you with a doctor in some type of system, consider yourself lucky. Most of us know that clients are reduced to using whatever medical provider they can get their hands on. Health department, charity, free clinic, whatever's clever. It's very rare to find someone, or at least for me it is, that can afford to pay for a doctor on their own that I can connect them with. So don't get mad when you're like, why can't an attorney connect me with somebody? Because the reality is the way the process is set up, the person who's going to have to pay for that doctor is you. So if you don't have any money to go to that individual, that attorney is probably not going to connect you with them, because the person who would have to pay them would be that attorney, and that attorney is probably not going to do that. So don't get upset if you find that your attorney is not connecting you with a doctor to help you with your case.